Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorials how to change line thickness. For example, I will create line object. You can type line, press enter, and I will create line in here. Now, if you want to change the line thickness, like I will select this line and we can change this line thickness. You can right click, go to properties, and in here in line weight, you can change for the thickness, like we set into a 0,3. And to show in this drawing area, you can active this line weight tools. Let it be display the thickness. You also can change again, like I will set into 0,6. This. And then I will select again the other lines. We can change into thickness 0,7. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorials, how to change line thickness. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.